So if you have a single product to sell for your Shopify store, you probably want it right on the front page, or maybe you just have a featured product and you want all of the details to be available right on the front page. Now there is the featured product section that's available, but for some reason they didn't give the options to show all of the information. So this is what that looks like, but it's a little bit lacking. I'm going to show you how to add the full product right to the home page like this. You can see that over here it has the title, it has all of the photos, and then it has the description and then the drop down menu as well. So if that is interesting or you want to do that, keep watching, and please like, subscribe, and reach out to me if you need any help with your store. So normally I would be working in my own local environment and then be pushing this up to my store with a theme kit, but for YouTube it's a lot easier just to work right in the theme editor on Shopify. So we want to go to sections, and we want to find the main product.liquid. So main product.liquid, and we want to Control A and Control C to copy everything that is in this liquid section. And then we want to add a new section, and let's call this product anywhere dot liquid, and it's going to create that template, and it's going to have some default settings that we can just blast out of there, and then we can paste in everything from main product dot liquid. Now at the very bottom of this right here, where the closing bracket for an array is, I'm going to add a comma, and then I'm just going to paste in something to avoid any annoying products with the JSON. It's easy to mess that up, and I'll show you what it is. So it's a presets, and then it has an array in it with one object, name full product. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and it took it. So we were good there. Now the problem is, right now, if I go to my store and try to add that section now, it's actually going to be available. So let me just add a section and choose full product. There it is. It is now available, but it has nothing in it. And if I try to add a block, a title, I can't customize it at all. So I'll show you how we change that. And that's happening because that template that we created, or the section rather, doesn't have a product variable in it. So it doesn't have any information to put on the page. So I'm going to go back in here and edit this again. And then let's open the new section that we created. What did I call it? Product anywhere dot liquid. And then we're going to add some code at the top so that product has information in it. And you can see what I'm talking about. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that product is the product object, yeah, right here. So product.product.media right here. But the only problem is product is an empty object right now. So, or an empty variable. So we need to add the correct data and add that variable. So I'm going to show you how to do that now with just a couple lines of code. Actually, just one line of code. So I'm going to do a set of curly, and then the percentage, oops, and then the word assign, and we want to assign product equals, and then we can search through all products. And then we need to search for that one specific product we want to add to the store. So I'll show you how to do that quick. For now, let's just save this file, and let's go back, and I'm going to look at the products that I have in my store. And we have this children's climbing art right here. So if I view this product, I'll see this right here, climbing arch. So that is what I'm going to want to copy and add to my code. So going back to my code, and then my products anywhere section, I can paste that in here. And now I'm going to go ahead and save that. So now let's go back to our store again and add that section. customize it, and let me just, I want it, let's see, I guess that's go all the way to the bottom, add section, and let's do full product. And you can notice right away that my images are now showing up. So I'm going to add a block, and I'm going to add the title, and that's going to show up, and then I can add price, variant picker, and description, and buy buttons. And so now you can see that we have our full product page right there. And then I can add back in the collapsible rows. I'm not sure why these don't come back in, but I could easily add these. So for like materials, I could add leather material 100% maple. And now we have, you'll see that that shows up. And then you can, drag these around if you wanted to. Say I want my buy buttons above the description, however you want to do it. And we could even, play around with the liquid so that instead of having to add these, manually, you could just, choose a product, and then it would loop through that product and assign all of this automatically, and it could automatically get added in there. But for the purpose of this video, I think that shows you exactly how to do it, and this will help you easily create a single product store. So I'm going to now drag this up. I wanted it right below my reviews that don't exist yet, and now I have my single product store all set up with the single product right there on the landing page. So if this has been helpful for you, please leave a comment, please like, please subscribe. If you need help setting up your Shopify store, just reach out to me at martin@martinclayson.net, and I will also leave my website and my contact information in the description. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.